What's good, guys? It's your boy Bino99, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. That's right, another from the plug itself. Shout out to them for sending me this. Yeah, we got another one right here. As y'all can see, the reason why I'm covering this up is you won't see anything else on this one. But yeah, so why don't we get right to it, open this up, and go from there. Also, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe down below. It helps us a lot if you subscribe down below. Comment, share, like as well too, and just help us grow the channel. If you have more questions or anything, hit me up on my Instagram as well. I'll make sure to conclude that in the video too. Yo, what the hell? Wow. Wow. That's crazy, dog. Ooh, it made a thumb too. That's crazy, my bad. Man, look at this. Damn. What? My forehead's cringing right now. Jesus. Jesus, man. Oh my gosh. Yo. Y'all want to see? We finally got them. As Nailman would say, them A-Ma Manieres, which is technically the A-Ma Maniere. And for those of y'all who do not know what the A-Ma Maniere is, A-Ma Maniere in my way. So if you know how to speak French or is a French speaker, then you should know what this tag right here means, basically. Let me put that close for y'all. So yeah, right here, A-Ma Maniere. And it's a word, and like I said, it means in my way, so you're creating your own way. But let's talk about the shoe. Look at the material. Look at that tumble leather, like, excuse my language, but look at that tumble leather. What? It comes with the brown Jordan logo on the side, the A-Ma Maniere tag I showed y'all earlier, elastic too. Okay, the work of it is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. The cut though, I feel like they could have went deeper on the cut, as y'all can see right here. Like the cut right here itself, it should have went a little bit deeper. I would say like right here, just to make it more a little bit edge. And the back, Jesus, the back as well. Like look at the back right here. Like they should have cut the back side of this piece as well too. I don't know what they did, but I'm pretty sure. Like yeah, so plug, listen up. If y'all ever get like a pair or possibly like a retail pair, look at this part right here before making your measuring or making a dimensional equation, something like that. I don't know, but up top is okay. I have no problem up top. The back looks nice. If you go on StockX, you can look at practically the same on the back, but the front, however, yeah, you might want to work on the front, the toe box on the front, the A-Ma Maniere, the A right there. It looks all right. It looks pretty good to me. The back as well. I don't know if y'all peeped this, but there's something in the writing on the back as well too. I don't know if y'all saw that, but there was some writing on the back. Walking alone. You walking alone. I can't read the rest in cursive, but the material of this shoe, it looks pretty good, but I felt like they rushed it too much. So it's alright, really. It's a good shoe, but then again, you want to perfect, like it's all about perfection and timing. So I feel like they could have done that, but you know, it is what it is. A shoe's a shoe, but we don't care. Actually, we really don't care. So I appreciate them for sending me this for sure, but but damn, man, like damn. Also forgot the insole. I'll remove this piece right here. The insole. Don't forget about the insole, y'all. The insole. And so even the design as well too, it kind of reminds me of an Air Jordan 23 right here. Look at that. The insole is perfect. Even the design in the insole as well is amazing. So shout out for them for getting that down. And yeah, but I don't know what y'all think of these. Would y'all rock a pair like this? Like would y'all rock a pair even if it was a B grade shoe? And yes, this is a B grade shoe. Or if you just go in stores, cop the retail pair and then try to see the differences whatsoever. I mean, you're gonna see some differences, of course, but still, a shoe's a shoe, so there's no need to do that stuff unless you're weird. But yeah, What y'all think? Y'all mess with them? Y'all will cop them for sure, or what? Like, what's up? Like, would y'all cop them? But to rate this shoe, I'll give it a 9. I changed my mind about that. 8.5 because the toe box and the lining structure, like right here of that side right there, is kind of a little bit down. It should have been a little bit steeper up. But at 8.5 is okay, which is close to a 9. But yeah, I feel like they could have done better more. But it is what it is. It's a shoe, it's cool, whatnot. But I'm glad they did it. I'm glad they sent it to me, and I appreciate them for sending it to me, of course. So I thank them for that. But why don't we get to this OnFoot review, and let's go.